Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart this device. Alright, so this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example, so you cannot go through the normal operation of powering it off and then on. And all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device, and the volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So basically this is the combination of keys which is usually used to make a screenshot. Alright, so let's try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. And as you can see, we've got this section to power off, restart, etc. But keep pressing power buttons. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. We've got black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing a little bit longer. It should be powered on. If not, that's okay. It was just turned off, so you can turn it on just by pressing the power button. So let's do it separately. And let's wait until we'll see the developer's logo. Alright, we've got it. We've got the developer's logo, which means that our device will be powered on in a second. Just be patient. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.